Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look today on the euro currency finally. So yesterday we have discussed the strategy for the cable. Mostly overall situation stands the same. If you remember, we talked about this level. So market mostly, yes, it was shown here minor spike, but now finally hit the predefined levels. On the daily chart in the cable, this is strong confidence resistance and daily oversold. And that's why we think that here, well, at least some bounce could happen. So if you're would like to take the long position on the cable, or you're trading some intraday stops here, you could consider this situation because overall support strength rather strong, and well, in a normal situation market should not break it just on the march, so it should be some respect to this level, if of course something outstanding will not happen occasionally. Well, that's what we consider here on the cable. For those who are searching chance to go short, they probably will need to wait when the bounce will happen and then take on some retracement with a possible larger ABC top downward continuation, because our long-term target stands still around 120 area, somewhere in this level. The market should reach within the medium-term perspective, as we suggest. That's in two words that we have on the cable. On the euro currency, situation stands similar, except maybe the downside perspective. So on the euro, as you know, situation stands better, and that's why we would not expect that the market should drop somewhere miserably to some level. But speaking about the current situation, it's mostly the same. Yes, we have here the support area. It's a bit wide to call it confluence, but anyway, 1616, 1689, 1690, that's the two levels that stands very close, and market right now hits the first level. This level is also interesting because this is important FIP support, because it's based on this thrusting action to the upside, and it's first 30% level. But also market hits the daily oversold. It means that currently in this week probably we should not consider some big downside continuation. So here is really big chances stands for a possible pullback as well. As we know that yesterday the 3-day session started, Jerome Powell in the Senate. Together with the Stephen Mnuchin, they will answer the questions of the congressman, and well, that could clarify something about the liquidity measures. Maybe some support will be discussed, maybe some loud announcement will be made by result of this meeting, so something of that sort, because on the beginning of the week market was a bit depressed because no liquidity had been provided, no additional measures. The virus cases are growing across the globe, and that was pushed price a bit lower. So currently, as you can see, market stands at the support. On the 4-hour time frame chart, take a look what we have. We have extended ABC top pattern with the OP around 1650, slightly below the current market. And also here take a look at an extension of this leg. It's 127 stands right here. So I wouldn't call it as a butterfly, but well, if you would like to, you probably could draw it. So it could be left wing, very steep left wing, and a flat right wing. But anyway, that extension exists, 1650 as well, so it's provide additional support here. And if you would like to make the fast and intraday trade, that's the point that you could consider. So once market will reach it, you could drop time frame even more, somewhere to the hourly chart, and watch for here for some bullish reversal patches. Maybe something will form here. Currently, I do not see anything yet, so nothing really interesting has been formed because market still stands on the way to the target. Once it will be reached, maybe something will be formed. But this is also a good point theoretically, by technical view at least. It's nice support where market could show some bounce. That will be pretty enough for 1-2 days trading sessions. So that will be also nice opportunity. As you can see, it's very similar to what we have on Great British Pound. So that's also you could see on keep watching on the euro currency as well.